What's going on, guys? Jake teaser with the latest Mustang and automotive news. Today we're checking out the 2024 Mustang. I did a video recently, and this is a Chinese car in a Ford product, but the headlights are kind of the same. I just want to talk about it in this video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're going to go over the new Mustang, kind of what's going on over the forums over here, and talk about everything in detail. I haven't been keeping up with it very much, but I wanted to share this with you guys because I think some of you guys just haven't seen all of this stuff. As you can see here is actually the real, this is leaked. This was leaked in like April, so this is old obviously, but this is the headlight style, and that's where this content creator Chaz Cron over on Mustang 7G used his skills to put these headlights and make this look very nice. So go over to Mustang 7G, check out the thread, and here's the actual image of the vehicle. And this is probably an EcoBoost. This is not a GT. You know, this is not the performance variant, as you can see based on the wheels here. And I would assume that it would be more aggressive with a bigger splitter and whatnot. I prefer the Mach 1 still, but this doesn't look bad. Hood scoop on a GT. And the wheels look good. I love the green color. Let's go over to the forums and see what's been going on. Let's just look at the general topics. And here is the thread that we were just looking at. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. He's got a few different colors. He does have a video. I haven't watched it, but this is cool. That is very cool. And okay, so that looks pretty accurate. So what I'm seeing is kind of the Mach 1 / Focus RS. And what they do on, I've got a Mach 1. What they do on the Mach 1 is one side is to cool the automatic transmission, one side is to cool the engine oil. So you've got an engine oil cooler. The Mach 1 holds 10 quarts of oil. So this is kind of functional. This is beautiful. I mean, this is really good looking. He did a good job on this, obviously. I still think that the Mach 1, I know I got to be quiet about the Mach 1, but I can't help it. I'm a fanboy. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. He did do a good job on this, and I like it a lot, and I appreciate his work. What color do you guys like? So let's go over, I mean, it's beautiful. It is beautiful, but I really do prefer that. It's hard to believe. Do you guys remember when the 2015 Mustang came out? And then when the 2018, which is this, came out and everybody barfed? But now, it's the way the brain works. Now the 2018 looks better than the 2023, 2024, which is hilarious. The 2024 looks like Camaro now, but it'll grow on you just like every single body style grows on you. And I think it'll look awesome with a good wheel and tire package. There's the actual car. That's the actual photo that we have. And then with the GT, they're going to add these things in, some actual fog lights and some real wheels. So this is the Mustang. And here is Motor Trend's take on the 2024. I think it looks good. Not bad. I love red. 15 doesn't look bad though either. It's so weird how one just won't hit the brain quite the same. 2015 just looks a lot better in my opinion. But the 2024 will be cool. It will have all the tech. It's going to be a sports car. Let's see what they say about this 2024 Mule over here at Ford Authority. A 650 GT500 question mark. What do you guys think? They're testing and testing and testing, as they should be. Here's something about an all-wheel drive. Do you think that they'll offer an all-wheel drive? I know that they are going to offer at some point they will start using hybrid, and we all know that. I did a video on this one a while back, I believe. I think they have a Mach 1 testing with the S650. Here's the deal. The Mach 1 basically has GT500, GT350R, wheels, tires, and suspension components. It just has the NA 480 horsepower kind of upgraded Coyote. So this thing is a runner. This is the car I have. It is a legit runner. And I know what they're going to do. They're going to take the bits and pieces. So this has got the bigger exhaust, bigger wheels and tires. They're going to take the bits and pieces. I love these big wheel and tire setups. So this is probably a S650 performance package car, you know, or Mach 1 for S650. But they're going to take the bits and pieces that they've learned from the Mach 1 and they're going to put it on the performance package Mustang GT or a Bullet or something like that. You know, because the technology always trickles down. Technology is going to trickle down from the GT350R to the GT500 to the, you know, GT350. You know, 19 and up GT350 is upgraded, and then the 18 and up Mustang upgraded, and then the Mach 1 was even better than the Performance Package 2 Mustang. So, cool thing is that cars are getting faster and faster and faster. I still think this is a cool car. I'm a total fanboy. I have to be quiet, I know, but I'm not going to be quiet. It's my YouTube channel. You can just change the channel if you don't like it. All right? I like the Mach 1. So this is me over here blabbing about this again. And if you can look on this, the Mustang, it has a lot of similar features on this car that they've got over here. I was just looking at some of the body line, the cues in the body and cues throughout that European, actually Middle Eastern vehicle. So they have done some sound clips. Let's see if we can actually hear this. Yeah. So that's old, June 2nd, but they're just letting you know, if you scroll back, there's a manual transmission. That's all they're doing. They're just letting you know, hey, we've got 7th generation. As you can see right there, there's a manual transmission. So that's cool. And that's really all we got. We have this photo, remember this? And I don't remember, this is CGI, but it's, you know, you can see the splitter. You can see the Mach 1 kind of GT Focus RS inlets that do so well. It's very lowered, low profile tires. I mean, this is going to be awesome if it turns out looking like this. It's going to be legit. I think that's the goal, is to have it turn out like this. Super legit. I love this. Yeah, I really do like this. So that's kind of the latest that we have for the Mustang for 2023, 2024. That's basically all we got right now. And if you guys like to keep updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news, let me know and comment below. And if you'd like to see how I built my YouTube channel from 0 to 11,000 subscribers, go over to Instagram, send me a message, my link's below, or go to my website, my link's below, or comment, and I can help you grow your YouTube channel. I also do consulting for fitness. I help I help professionals get into shape, increase their energy through fitness, and I do consultations. I do have an opening for coaching for fitness, business, etc. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you in the next video.